Right now it's almost like 10 o'clock. We are going to the Jasmin beach, which is nearby, almost like 20 kilometers from here. Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. It is so sad our holiday going to get over in 2 days. So the whole family decided today to spend a whole day in Jasmin Resort for family bonding. Fortunately today the climate was fantastic. It is going to be a beautiful day. You can easily find the Jasmin Resort on the road with the big sign. You cannot miss that. We reached here at 10:30. The resort was very beautiful and very spacious.
Wait lang. Aray. Babalik na rin ko.
There's a wonderful people over here. They are nice. That is the president.
The president. Extend down.
Okay.
Hello, President. Schedule is extended.
Extended.
Ah,
Gagi, ano? Jellyfish yun ah!
Gagi. Bukya.
that is jellyfish.
Bukya. Bukya.
Jellyfish. Thank you. I'm going there.
Hey, Raj.
Oh, so they're here? Yeah. Hi! Ano, tayo?
He got it.
Where is the Japanese?
Konnichiwa. So here, andito kami. Look who's here. What's your name? Moira. My baby girl. That's so pretty. Hi.
Alexa, so how are you? That means recording. If it is sleep, touch the back, so it will wake up. Okay? So Jumanji, you didn't know that? I already told you. What's your name? At least this time I catch you properly. What is your name? What? Jumaima. So Alexa and Jumaima. Okay. You're my guys.
Ano ba yan?
Ano mo yan, Bele? Ano yan?
We're having lunch over here. See the look, how beautiful the place it is. Nice, awesome place out there. So Mattea, you like it? Jacob, Mattea, what's your name?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, fantastic name. Hi. Very good. Wow, the kids are already having a bath over here. Let's go close. Hello, hi. Here, look here. Spider-Man, don't cry. You are a Spider-Man, no cry.
Oh.
Come.
Oh.
Come here. Yeah. Okay, I'll take a video. Yeah, coming. Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Ernie managing almost like 10 kids over here. Looks like a small military. How are you? No, we are going there. Yeah. Spider-Man, give me a pose. Like that. It's a beautiful place. There is no doubt about it. This word in Philippines I had to use every time when I open the camera. That is really good. There is no other choice for me. So look how beautiful it is. Sunny day. Perfect sunny day.
Grabe the difference. The difference naman po. Magiging kwento talaga kayo. Sinave na ata. Payaga, nakita na yung Raj, can you pass me this bead?
Sure. I know.
Go, Tay! Go, Tay! Ano yun? Hi, guys! Welcome to our vlog! Yeah! Everybody look!
Yeah.
Gano magano.
We have to...
Yeah, take care.
We have to...
Go.
Yeah, we have to go because... Raj! Hello? Say hi. Francis, say hi. Hi, everyone. Oh, hi. Hi.
Hi. You okay? It's okay.
Ayos kayo umayos. Francis, sit down. Doon ako sa likod ng guard.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping light. in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I see you guys next video soon. Thank you.